Afternoon YouTubers, welcome back to Diecast Culture, and this video is all about this Hot Wheels 9-pack which I acquired quite a few weeks ago now, and we will take a close look at the contents. So we're ready to go. This is a 96 Chevy Impala SS, and I love the shape of it. I love the black steely wheels. Hopefully the camera's picking that up, not sure if it is. What I'm not so keen on is its scale, so put it next to this green light Chevy Nova, which we know Chevy Nova is a small mid-sized American car, and it is definitely quite a bit larger. The model is larger. And this one is the 20 Toyota Supra GR. Great looking Japanese sports car. And one of my viewers, pardon me, I'm trying to recall his name for the life of me, but I'll pop it up on the screen, you'll see it now. Did actually point out to me that I think it was a Supra, and he's right. Lovely design, this one. So this is a 1971 Maverick Grabber. I haven't researched who makes the Maverick. Is it Ford? I don't think it's a Chevy, and originally I thought it was a before I knew it was called a Maverick Grabber, I thought it might be a Japanese sports car. So I think it's a Ford Maverick. I may be wrong. I love the steel wheels on this. I think they're superb. They look really quite realistic. Black interior, clear glass, in white with orange highlights. I think this is a fantastic model. This is called a Track Ripper, and it's an unlicensed fantasy casting, if you like. I'm quite taken with it, to be honest with you. I love the kind of semi-iridescent green paint. It's got an interesting, aggressive profile, massive spoiler at the back, and yeah, I'm quite taken actually with this design. Mercedes-Benz 500e. For some reason I thought this was a 190. I think this is another fantastic Matchbox casting. Love the smoky tinted glass. It's black interior, and it would have been nice had the wheels on this been similar to the Maverick that you just saw earlier. Love the rear window glass there. They've got the shape, the edges of the glass so right, and the tampos for the headlights, grille and rear lights. It's all been done very nicely. So this is called a Cyber Speeder, and it looks like it's got some solar panels on the front, on the top there, but also it's got some exhaust tailpipes at the back. So does it have a combustion engine, or is it electric motor? Maybe it's a hybrid, I don't know, but it's a bit of a wacky design. Yeah, very lightweight, small amount of metal on the top, plastic base. And this one is called a Speed Spider. That's an original name. Okay, not much weight to that. It's got a metal base, but the metal base is small. Right. Not much weight to this one either. So a load of plastic. This is called Growler. I guess it's some sort of canine take. And what I noticed as it comes around in a second is that it's got one of its teeth missing, I think, at the front. But it's sad in a way. You can always tell when something's plastic because there's a sort of translucent edge to plastic. It's like the colour is not really saturated. It's not always the case. There's different types of plastic. So yeah, at the front, front left, there's like half a tooth missing. I don't know whether that's meant to be. Okay, it's a 94 Bugatti EB110 SS. 1994. Stunning, striking design. Certainly angular. Could be forgiven. This would be a car from the 1980s, but it's not. 1994. Love the detail. And I also like the top profile. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and take care. Happy hunting. Speak to you soon. Bye.
From the ashes, we will rise. From the ashes, we will rise. Will you follow or will you lead? Will you be lions or will you be sheep? We are the very ones that we need. We hold a piece of the universe, indeed. We hold a piece of the universe, indeed. you follow